to my channel. It's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids147, and I've got an unboxing today, a little bit different. So I was contacted by a lovely lady called Emily, who has been creating a different type of diamond painting pen, and she asked if she could send me something to share with you all, and of course use myself. So I have cut open the top of the envelope, but that's because I thought it was something else at first that wasn't diamond painting related. So let's tip the goodies out of the box. Oh, we've got some chocolates. Okay, they're for me for later. Sorry, can't share you them with them all with you. Okay, so we've got a little note saying her name is Emily. She'd like to say thank you for the opportunity. All her pens are lovingly made by hand by herself with polymer clay. Each pen is unique to the customer, and each order normally takes about a week to complete. The pens retail at £15, but the more you order, the more you save. And that price also includes postage to the UK. Two pens that she sent me are two of her favourite colours to work with, which is glow in the dark and pink sparkle. And the other is mother of pearl and stardust. Everything you have received is what everyone gets too. So maybe if you order, you get chocolates. And that's thank you from Emily. So wonderful. Thank you so much, Emily. So we have what looks like a little sticker of a little bulldog and a paw. We do also have a coupon. You do need to, so the place is Marble Makes. I will pop a link down below. But you do have to send a picture of the coupon to be able to get your money off. But let's have a look. What have we got? So she said there was two. So I'm guessing, this is glow in the dark and pink sparkle. And we have a little cute little bunny on the end. And then of course we've got a diamond painting tip. That's gorgeous. So, question is, if I turn off my lights, will this have had enough light? Should we give it a go? So watch out while I turn off my lights. Oh, can you see that? I don't know whether it quite charges up or what in the light, but I'm hoping that's coming across on camera quite well. I'm currently in a dark room. I've got a very little bit of light behind me, but it is UK winter time, so it's going dark when I'm filming this. Okay, gonna flash while I turn the lights back on. Ooh, focus. Okay, so that is glow in the dark along with pink with a little bunny. I like the fact that they're wrapped in cardboard as well, keeps them protected. And then what else do we have? Ooh, can I get this one out? Oh, this one is gorgeous. I'm having this one. I might let my daughter borrow the other one. But that one is absolutely gorgeous. So this is mother of pearl and stardust. That is beautiful. I love the effect of that. So I will pop links down below if you want to get yourself a clay pen and support a small business. But thank you so much to Emily. These are gorgeous. I'm going to use this one first, but that's because I'm a tealy bluey kind of person. And that one is, I think this one's my fave. Though I do like the glow in the dark aspect of this. It's pretty funky, and I might have to have a chocolate, while I'm using them, because it'd be rude not to, wouldn't it? But yeah, thank you so much to Emily. Thank you so much for watching. This is a very quick video, but they're gorgeous. That is really chunky as well. So if you do struggle to hold a diamond painting pen, there's a good thickness on these. Makes the pen quite a bit easier to hold, and they feel really, really nice as well. and there's glitter, so you know you can't really go wrong, can you? But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.